Hello everybody. Now you are in class 8. First of all, I would like to congratulate each and everyone for passing. I hope every one of you have purchased book. Am I right? First of all, one of you tell me, can you listen me?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes,
Okay, before we start, any question from your side?
No.
Okay, for last 5 minutes, I will take attendance. Now, I am going to share my screen. Be ready with your textbook. Yeah, I share my screen. Today we are going with text introduction. What are you going to study in this semester? Are you ready with your textbook?
Yes, teacher. Yes, sir.
Very good. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
yes, sir.
Very good. Yes, here you can see a picture of index of your textbook. There are 9 units: arrival of Europeans in India, then what is around us. Next one is Indian Constitution. Fourth one is how the traders become ruler. Fifth one, natural disasters. Sixth one, effect of the British rule in India. Seventh one, environmental change. Then next one is role of parliament in a democratic country. And last, the freedom movement in of 1815, 1857. These are the chapters we are going to discuss in this semester. Now, what we are going to study in each of the chapter? Here is a short description related to it. First one, arrival of Europeans in India. In this chapter, we will discuss why European came to India. As we know, Britishers ruled over India for more than 150 years. Besides Britishers, other Europeans also came, such as Dutch, Portuguese, French. Why they came? What was there in India? What was their need? We will discuss about it. Second thing is who founded sea route to India? As in past, the trade between India and Europe was going on land route. But after the land route was stopped, it is because of Turkish defeated Constantinople, and so that land route was stopped. So it was necessary to find new route. And in those days, we have only two options: sea route and land route. So land route was stopped. So they started to find sea route. The first question is why? We will discuss the answer: because of their need of Indian goods and commodities. Second, who tried and who succeeded? Many of them tried, such as Columbus, Vasco da Gama. Who succeeded? Vasco da Gama was succeeded. He was from Portuguese and found the sea route to India. After him, different European people came to India. Which were they? They were Portuguese, Dutch, French, British, etc. We'll discuss about each of the European people, how they came to India, and what they did in those days. Thereafter, we will also discuss Battle of Plassey and Battle of Boxer. These two are landmark battles in Indian history as because of this Britishers started to rule in India. How? We will discuss in this chapter. Thus, in the first chapter, we will discuss why Europeans came to India, who founded sea route to India, different European people came to India, and Battle of Plassey and Battle of Boxer. Before we start with second, any question? Okay. Second unit is what is around us. It is related to our surrounding, our land, atmosphere. It means our globe is divided into four parts or four spheres: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. What are they? What they include? How much portion they acquire? And effect of these spheres on human life. Or in other words, we can say life. We will discuss about this: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Then next, unit third. This unit is related to civics. In this unit, we will discuss about Indian Constitution. First of all, what is preamble? Preamble means beginner or first page, or we can say in our language Amuk. Then second thing, how Constitution of India formed. How was it formed? Next, silent features of our Constitution. Which are the features we will discuss here? Yes, is given democratic rule, secularism, and republic. These are the features of our Constitution. Then after, we will discuss about federal state. As we know, India is a large country. In term of area, we are seventh in the world. And so that here our government system is federal. We have central government as well as state government. How it is going on, we will discuss. And lastly, fundamental rights. As a citizen of India, we got some rights and duties from our constitution. What are they? We will discuss in this chapter. Chapter 3, Indian Constitution. Any question? Any doubt? As you know, I will wait only for about 15 seconds. If your question, you can ask. Otherwise, be silent. I will continue. Now, we are moving towards next unit. Unit 4. How the traders became rulers. Is in the first unit, we will discuss about different European peoples came to India. They came here as a traders. But then after, because of many reasons, they became rulers in some territories and someone is in the more territories. How? We will discuss in this chapter. Besides this, Lord Wellesley, he was Governor General. His policy of expansion, his policy's name was Subsidiary Alliance. What is this? How it introduced and how it captured our local kingdom and merged them into British Empire. After him, Dalhousie, he was also Governor General. His policy was policy of annexation. How he annexed different kingdom. We will also discuss in this chapter. The next topic is dissatisfaction of people. Is they were traders, they became ruler, and so that their motive was to earn maximum profit at any how. And this For this, they made some laws, some rules which affected the mass of the people. And this way, people of India were dissatisfied. What was there? We will discuss in this chapter. Now, in fourth unit, we have discussed this. We are going with unit 5. Natural disaster. You have studied about disasters in class 6. Man-made and natural. Here, we will discuss about some of the natural disasters like earthquake, volcano, tsunami, flood, drought, landslide, forest fire, cyclone, etc. These are natural disasters which destroy properties as well as life. Which are they? Here are names of them, how they affect our life, and what steps can we take or should we take to protect ourselves and our properties. We will discuss about this in this chapter. Chapter 5, Natural Disasters. Again, my question, any doubt, any question? Okay, we are going with next. Next chapter is Unit 6. Effect of British rule in India. In last history chapter, we have discussed how traders become ruler. Now, after becoming ruler, how British rule effect on India. People, administration, traders, farmers, local kings, small and large kings, etc. We will discuss about it in this chapter. First thing is condition of peasant. Peasant means, yes, anyone can answer. Peasant means, next word if you see, you can imagine.
Farmer.
Very good, farmer. Who answered?
Rajara Smith.
Very good, Smith. Peasant and agriculture, farmers and agriculture, what was the condition during the time of British? We will discuss in this chapter. We said this effect on social life. Our social life as we are living today. In those days, life was quite different. But this rule, British rule, effect on our social life also. What was that? We will discuss in this chapter. Next topic is destruction of Indian trade and industries. In this chapter, how farmers and what was their condition. Now, traders and industries, what was the condition? How they destroyed by British rule, or we can say British law. And next one, suspicions about reforms. Now, the process of reforms started in India at different level. Some of our reformers who started reforms in different area. Which were they? Besides this, British governor also provide some reform. We will also discuss about it. Here, the word is used suspicion. It means sankaspad. Because British changed something, but people believe that, or people had doubt on British, because mostly they destroy the people. So, how they were, we will discuss in this chapter. Next unit, we are going with it, unit 7. Environmental change. In today's life, we are facing much difficulties because of global warming. Our environment is changed. Every day it is changed. In past, we had seasons, but nowadays we can see we cannot get seasons like past. We had summer, winter, monsoon. But nowadays, sometimes we have too much heat, too much cold at night, and rainfall at any time. This will is affect. Here in this chapter, we will discuss about weather and climate. What is weather? What is climate? You have already studied about these two in last semester definition. Next thing we will discuss in greenhouse farming. When you are moving on road or farm, on where you can see in some of the farm, you can see they are covered up with green clothes or green cabinet or like hut with green clothes. What is that? How it is useful? We will discuss in this chapter. Next one is global warming. Every day we heard this word global warming. In short, we can say global warming means day by day the temperature of earth is going to increase. That is global warming. How it affect on human life, on environment, we will discuss in this unit, in this chapter. Next topic, measures to prevent global warming. As we know, global warming, because of global warming, we are hurted, we suffer many things, many difficulties. So, how can we protect ourselves, protect our environment from this effect? We will discuss in this chapter. This way, 7 units are over. Now, unit 8. Before we start, any question from your side?
No.
Yes, I think he was Smith.
No, no. I am good at Siddhant.
Okay, Siddhant. Okay, very good. But if you have question, you ask. Otherwise, don't speak. Okay? I
Okay,
will
sir.
understand, and after few seconds, I will continue. Next one is also related to civics. Role of parliament in a democratic country. As we know, our government runs from parliament. We are called parliamentary system in democracy. What is the role of parliament? Here points are how parliament form. As we know, there are members. How they are elected? We know they elected by elections and become MP and reach to parliament. Last year in 7th, you studied about legislative assembly. Here, it was state level. Here, we will go with central. Then we will discuss about the form of government, monarchy and democracy. It is comparison in this chapter. After that, as a part of parliament, we know there are two houses, upper and lower house. Upper house is called Rajya Sabha, lower house is called Lok Sabha. How each of them form, who elect the members. We will discuss about the number of members, how they are elected, what is their term, etc. in this chapter. Besides this, next topic we will study is ruling party and opposition. In short, we can say the government or party which rule over the country, it is called ruling party. While other parties which is not part of ruler, it is called opposition. Many times you heard in news opposition has said something, ruling party has said something. What is this? How they form? We will discuss about each of them in this chapter. Next one, how is Rajya Sabha formed? Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. How is parliament formed? Here we will discuss how the member of Lok Sabha are elected. But as a separate topic, we will discuss in same chapter how Rajya Sabha is formed. How many members are there? How they are elected? Who cast vote for them? what is the term of Rajya Sabha, etc. And last one, questioner. It is a part of parliament. How it is going on, who asked question to whom, who answered, the process we will discuss in the parliament in this chapter. You can also see this process on TV. Doordarshan, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. These are TV channels. They are live. And what is going on in our parliament in both houses, upper house and lower house, you can see live. After this period, you can start TV and check the channel Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. It is from Doordarshan. You will also understand what is question hour better. Then we are moving towards next slide, means next unit, unit 9. The freedom movement of 1857. The first freedom movement was started in 1857. We will discuss. You have also studied about it. The revolt of 1857. You also heard many times about this. One of the most famous from this revolt is Rani Lakshmibai as well as Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey, who is considered as the first martyr in freedom movement, and Rani Lakshmibai, known for his bravery. Here we will discuss the reasons for the outbreak of the revolt. Why this revolt happened? What were the reasons behind it? We will discuss in this chapter. Some of the reasons are social, political, religious, military, etc. How this reason affected different rulers and how they made a group and plan for 1857 revolt. Then we will also discuss about Mangal Pandey, as I have just said, the first martyr of Indian freedom movement. Who was Mangal Pandey? How he died? How he opposed? And how he became the first martyr? We will discuss in this chapter. Besides this, there is a movie also named Mangal Pandey. Before few years, it was released, cast by Amir Khan. You can also watch the movie Mangal Pandey. Next one is revolt in Gujarat, as 1857 considered as the first freedom movement in India. In Gujarat, what happened? Who led this fight or revolt? Who contributed it? How? We will discuss. Next topic, end of the revolt. How the revolt was ended? We will discuss in this topic. Next point, why was the revolt a failure?
According to
Why?
w3docs.com, the git revert command.
Why was the revolt failure? There are many reasons. We will discuss each of the reasons in this class. Again, repeat, don't leave the class. After this, I will take attendance. Last topic we will discuss in this chapter is effect and consequence of the revolt. What was the effect of the revolt over British rule as well as over the Indian people? We will discuss about them in this book, this chapter. Now, any question from your side? Next period we are going to start first unit. Here you can see arrival of Europeans in India. First unit we will start in next period. Before that, I am going to stop presenting now We are going with attendance. One by one, start your video, present yourself, and give me your name. Okay, I also switch on my video. Yes, one by one. Ashnani Ansita.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Just a minute. Let me write the name. Yes, Padilla New. Padilla New. I have to put option for him. No problem. Gajera Smith.
Present, sir.
Start video.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Radadia Mahek. Radadia Mahek. She also left. Savalia Jenny.
Yes, sir.
Ustadia Viswa.
Yes, sir.
Machar Radhe.
Yes, sir.
Jagar Kesvi.
Yes, sir.
Madhwani Chris. I think he left. Manna Somdeep.
Present, sir.
Tumar Kevel.
Present, sir.
Jogi Himani.
Yes, sir.
Kerali Ayush.
Yes, sir.
Mamotra Arya. Mamotra Arya.
Present, sir.
Saglani Arya.
Yes, sir.
Davra Parle.
Present, sir.
Ganatra Siddhant.
Present, sir.
Vakasya Trusil.
Present, sir.
Now anyone else may be late come, so I did not write the name.
Sir, my name.
Dabhi Pratap. Yes, just me, I am writing. Anyone else? Yes, anyone else who remain?
Sir, I remaining.
What is your name?
Sohel Atia.